art, making up a song. It's about art. No, it's not. It's an intro song. Art. Videos, dude. Hello, everybody. The world says hello, and today I'm working on a special present for my partner, and you will see how I created it. It's a pair of avocados because I saw a post on Instagram that said it said in I forgot. 1 second. They said that in Aztec, if you gave someone an avocado, it was a symbol of love. And so I made her a couple avocados. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna throw this into some music now. Hit that like button if you like it. Subscribe if you would like to see more content. I'll see you next week. Bye. So long.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, stay awake, although now